Sir. Good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
This is Zikra Khatun. I live in Ghusi. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher and my dear friends who give me a golden chance to speak here. Today, sir give us a very interesting topic, money versus relationship. Relationship make us happy. Life is not all about money, but it more about relationship. Money feed our body, but relationship feeds our soul. Suppose that money thinks many things money can't buy. For example, with money you can buy bed, but you can't you can't buy sleep. With money you can buy a doctor, but you can't buy a good health. With money you can lost, but you cannot true lover. Money is not everything in our life. Money make us from so selfish, greedy like this. And Sabha ma'am, what are you about relationship and money versus? Please tell me something.
Okay, Sabha ma'am. So Zika ma'am was telling that money is important. Which is important? So Zika ma'am, was in the favor of money. Sabha ma'am, what's your opinion? Because you are
Yes, sir. Good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
Good evening,
good
ma'am.
evening.
My name is Sabah Fatima. I live in Badagaon, Ghusi. I'm learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today we have got a very interesting topic that everyone should know about this topic. That money is important or relationship. So, first of all, I would like to say that in current era, all relations have become fashion because there are 6 months have passed, but the son doesn't want to meet his father. Son doesn't want to talk with his father, and due to property there is a fight between father and sister, brother and brother. So I want to say that if you have money, then you have power. If you have money, then you have all relations. You can afford with all relations. You can live with your all relations. But at that time, if you have no money, if you are in difficult time, then everyone left you, and no one want to care you. What?
Sorry.
Yeah ma'am,
No one
yeah ma'am, continue.
no one wants to care about your difficulties, about your difficulties. But if you have a power, if you have money, then everyone wants to care you. Everyone wants to live with you. Your relationship running good. But if that time, if you have no money, then everyone wants to leave you. Your even you want to talk with anyone, but they doesn't want to talk to you. So I would like to tell you that money is important in current era because all relations have become passion. There is no any bond between father and son. There is no any bond, any lovely bond in sister and brother. So I would like to finish my topic. Who
Ma'am,
want
you are
to
Okay,
saying
so
money is
Sabha ma'am, you
most
was mentioning that
important.
yes. As you know, as you all were
Yes,
listening, that
Sabha ma'am,
Sabha
you
ma'am
are
was
saying
mentioning that money
money
is
is most
important, right?
important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, suppose that you have a lot money, but you have not friendship and any life partner and relationship, and suddenly you make a very big problem. That time, what do you do?
If we already have power and if we have money, then everyone wants to live with me, and everyone wants to solve my difficulties also. But if we have no money, then everyone can leave you in your difficulties. And
Ma'am, please come
due
again.
to
I'm
this
not
relationship,
listening properly.
I'm saying, if you
Yeah.
have money, then everyone wants to solve your problem. Everyone wants to involve to solve your problem. But if you have no money, so everyone
Ma'am, how is
can leave you in your.
impossible? How is impossible? You have a lot money and you have no any relationship, no life partner. That time suddenly you make a very big problem. That time what do you do?
Due to relationship, due to all cultural process, we are celebrating all festivals, and due to this, India is far behind from other countries. Due to this only, because every after 2 and 3 days we are celebrating festival, we are celebrating Karwa Chauth and other things. We have no any educational good educational system. We are only celebrating festival, we are only in relationship. We know about only we have celebrate this, we have celebrate this, we have this relation. We are running for making relationship, but due to this, India is far behind from other countries because there is no not educational system. There is emotional and uh, there is all things without educational system, good educational system, and due to this, India is far behind from other countries. What would you like to say about this?
Okay, Zikra ma'am. Yeah, Zikra
Yes,
ma'am,
sir.
as you are listening that Shaba ma'am was mentioning that in today's world, mostly India people have emotional, okay? Too much emotions, okay? They don't have educations, okay? Educational system, they are not thinking about futures, then what to do and what to not do. Only, emotions and relationship. Okay, so what would you like to say? Okay, cut the point of Shaba ma'am, Zikra ma'am.
So firstly, I am telling good people are not interested in our money and our status. What they will want from us in our time, loyalty, and love, help like this, not our money and how much I status. Only good people, only they do want from us only time and loyalty, love like this.
Tell me about good people. Who is good people according to you? You have a lot of good people in
Yeah.
this time in your contact, in your relation. Which type of good
Yeah, ma'am, but
person?
this type
What?
good people true the true man.
In India, you are
Yeah,
Suppose
Zikra
that
said
you
ma'am,
to a
what
have
do
a
you
good
mean by good
person,
people?
and you are.
yes
Am
sir.
Yeah,
I
Zikra ma'am, what
audible?
do you mean by good people? Yes, audible. Yes. So,
Good
Zikra
people
ma'am,
true
what do you
love,
mean by
true
good
life
people?
partner, true relationship,
Okay.
true relationship and
So that
life
means you
partner
have a
true
good.
like this. True
Okay.
yes sir.
Okay. So according to you, money is not important. Okay. Relationship important. If you have a good relationship,
Yeah, because
so
money is a
you
root
can live
of
your life
all
happily.
beings. Yes
But
sir,
in
please
today's
come again.
world, Zikra ma'am, I'm sorry. Yeah, Zikra ma'am, I'm sorry, but in today's world, money is a need. Okay. I think money is everything. If you have money, as much as you have money, you can run your relationship a long time. Okay. Because it depends on money.
So
How much you
firstly,
have money,
sir,
it's
firstly
totally credit of
due to
money.